On the sands of Brava Beach, a giant hand made of stone emerges from the core of the earth, where locals will gather to converse and share a pot of their favorite yerba mate, a margarita with herbaceous undertones. Chill a coupe and put to one side. Prepare a lime wheel to garnish. Add sugar syrup and fresh lime juice into a cocktail shaker. Green Chartreuse is a historic French liqueur which has a very distinctive, spicy and herbal flavor. Yerba mate is a traditional South American tea that is a national drink of Uruguay, and it is included in our infusion with El Jimador tequila. Add cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Empty ice from the coupe. Fine strain. Garnish with a lime wheel. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.